So this one I'm going to film. This is a karaoke bar, Castelo de Macao, and it's like built. Castelo is like a castle, and then there's all these residential apartments up here, and then over here there's a film I did recently that has all the cemeteries. So all these apartment buildings overlook the cemetery. So I've heard that the rent is quite cheap. So we're going to try to walk and see what's around here a little bit. And there's also a ton of construction here. There's a chair I could sit right there if we wanted to. Not that I would sit there. Looks like somebody threw it out. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, there's a karaoke bar right here, Castle de Macao, and all these apartments up there. So kind of cool. And then I think I've walked in there. I have been in there once with a taxi because my friend used to live here, co-worker. But we're gonna walk this way a little bit because that's a dead end. But this kind of wall of apartments looks kind of interesting too. But all the stuff overlooks the cemetery, so it's a little bit strange to have that view. And then you got little shops in here. And okay, so I think this one straight ahead is the old university, where the University of Macau used to be. And there's a nursery over here, and then I think there's yeah, huh. Well, actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna walk. Let's just see. This one says I think we're gonna walk down that way and just kind of see what's all down here. So yeah, the cemetery, these apartment buildings, some kind of government office. Oh, sports. This is a sports place, so you can play sports here. Dang, I was gonna walk down that way. Kind of wanted to see what was that way, but now that I can see this way kind of goes circular, I'm a little bit curious to see what it is. So all these people that live in these apartments have this sports center right here, and it looks like that goes into must feed into the other one. Yeah, it does. Okay, so this is the other side of these apartments, so we're going to go check it out as well. Oh yeah, looks pretty cool too. Dang. Okay, this is a restaurant. Looks like they got
Hello.
Hello, how are you? That looks good. That looks really good.
Oh.
That looks good.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So that looks like a good restaurant. Has like, actually it's hard to find beef and rice. So yeah, actually this apartment have some access to some restaurants and some shopping marts. Here's another small one. Buy lots of beer here. Simple Kind Life Mart. Okay.
On a normal day, you would have went home.
So okay. Huh. Actually, that's really amazing. It's a really nice apartment. This is really funny because I believe that this one up ahead is expensive real estate, and these ones I'm not really sure, because that one that I was just at is well known for cheaper apartments because of the proximity to the there's a bunch of kids yelling somewhere. Is there a school here or a play area up there? Some of these big apartments have like a big courtyard, maybe up on that side somewhere. I can see some buildings and there must be some courtyard up there. Dang, pretty interesting little area. But yeah, I've heard that these apartments over here have some of the highest value in this area. So I actually heard in the city because they overlook Macau side, where I guess the other ones kind of face more of the man, there's a lot of construction here, so I don't know. It gets yeah, so this is the apartments again. It does look pretty cool. So okay, I have heard that it's kind of interesting because those two guys, I think they're speaking in Portuguese, and then there's another couple, a guy and a girl, that were also, man, that looks so cool. I think this must be I mean, they look on one side, they look this way, which is probably the good side, and on the other side, they also overlook the water. I don't know which one is the. I know that these ones, because I've like you see these big pillars. Something about these make these really valuable, and I think the apartments maybe they go all the way across, so they actually have two sides into the water. Yeah, you can actually see through these. So I have been up here before. It's the University of Macau up there. And then if you're there, you can actually like see through these apartments and into the other side of the water. So it's actually pretty cool. This used to be where the University of Macau used to be a long time ago. Let's see what this is. It looks like a pretty cool space too. Like a garage. It's like you can park here and then live in these nice apartments. Wow, look at that. Looks really cool. Got this big window and then you got this gate here. That's University of Macau. So I haven't been up there quite a while, but I did film and post something up there once about a year ago. It's probably, I don't know what I'd have it under. Camera died again. The battery died. So hopefully it stays on a little bit. But actually these houses, these are like actual houses. And actually I just was able to go into one. Sorry I didn't film that. It was actually a church service group, and there was a bunch of like Brazilian looking or Cape Verdean or something. But they look pretty cool. Some Portuguese people mix. So, but yeah, it was like so cool and they let me in. So I came in and like they were practicing a church service thing. But I could kind of see the layout of the house there, and I was like, wow, it looks pretty cool. But anyways, these are all houses up here. And I'm gonna guess that all of them probably, they look pretty spacious. I'm gonna bet they're worth some good money. And I don't know if I can get through here or not. I don't know, we'll find out soon. But anyways, I guess we'll maybe end this one. But you can see how cool these places look. Maybe we'll just show you where we can come out at. It looks like we're gonna come out. Oh wow. Okay, so it looks like we just came in through a gate. So yeah, we actually just went through a gate. So I don't know, I probably wouldn't have come in here any other way. So this looks like it's all private residence. And I must have came through in a way that probably not many people do. Because this is, wow, that's crazy. I had no idea I did that. Okay, wow. So yeah, it looks like you can actually go this way and go up into the university. The old university, which is now something different. And wow. Some apartments, and then we're gonna walk down this water, and then we're gonna overlook the university. We're gonna overlook the city of Macau. But yeah, so that's where we're just at. And actually, there's so many different directions we could go to from here. But I think I'm gonna try to just run across the street real quick and then throw my camera into that fence and then conclude. And then that'll be it for this particular video. And I'll probably do another one that's based on this street right here and whatever I see. Okay. Or not. I might try to take a bus and just conclude right here. Let's just run across real quick. Huh. All kinds of like, it's like new boots. So I'm gonna guess that somebody, wow, it's like a thing overlooking whoever has that place. So it looks like it's like kind of more like shelter. But somebody must be actively using it because there's like boots right there, like brand new. Anyways, we have this kind of cool thing on the Estrada Nordeste de Taipa, and this is kind of those row apartments. So whoever has that house and that house and that house and that house, you kind of have like a little row of them. Dang, so amazing. Anyways, the sun is starting to come down, and I might just conclude it in this space. I'm tempted to walk down that. I have walked it before, but it's very infrequently, maybe twice. So we're just going to conclude right here. And it looks pretty cool. Okay. So we're going to see if we can catch a bus If not, I'm gonna cook this right here no matter what.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.